friends, and welcome to this video as we look at functions in Excel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can use the CEILING.MATH and FLOOR.MATH functions. My name is Mercy Consolata Kelo. Let's get started. So the CEILING.MATH function helps you to round up any given number to the nearest integer or multiple of significance, while the FLOOR.MATH helps you to round down any given number to the nearest integer or multiple of significance. Both these functions work similar to the TRUNC function that we covered in the previous video, which you can check out at the link on the top right corner of this video. So let's dive in. So in a cell where you want your value to appear, just enter in equals, then CEILING.MATH, followed by the first argument, which you want to be your values that you want to round off. We are going to close the brackets there, press enter, and you have your values. Next, we have the FLOOR.MATH. So FLOOR.MATH, numbers you want to round off, close the brackets, press enter, and there you have it. So as you can see, for the 10.12, CEILING.MATH rounded the value up to the nearest integer, which is 11, and then FLOOR.MATH rounded it down, which is now to 10. So that has been it for this video. If you have enjoyed the content, please give the video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so that you're updated on new videos once they're released. Thank you and happy learning.